Alright everybody, we're out here with the latest Squarebody pickup. We also got this one from Frank. We picked up 3 of them. He told me that this truck is pretty much a parts truck, but it's got a strong running 350 in it. Based off the inspection sticker, it's been sitting for about 4 years, I think. Carburetor was a little stuck, but other than that, I don't know what we got. So I got an extra battery over here because it looks like some things are side post and some things are top post on this truck. So there has definitely been some rewiring of sorts. I don't know what we're going to get here, but my goal is to, well, get it running. I'd like to hear it. We're going to probably pull the motor out anyway, but I want to hear it. I'd like to see if it'll fire up. And Frank said that it was a strong running 350, but when he parked it, it just wasn't running so good. It had some wiring issues. So what that means, I don't know, but thankfully there ain't many wires in here to have issues. So the least we can do is try to start it in this video, and if not, I want to come back to it later. We'll do another video. So here we go. I got this thing on the trailer right now because it's going straight to the shop tomorrow. Let's see what we got under here. Got high performance Edelbrock chrome air cleaner, sucking that nice hot air off the top of the motor. The filter looks like it was probably changed 1700 years ago. That's good. It does have an aftermarket aluminum intake on it. I'm not sure Edelbrock Victor Jr. So I probably paid good money for that at one point. Edelbrock carburetor. Shoot, this thing was a racing truck. That's alright. Let's try to hook some juice up to this thing. I got the battery, the jump box already hooked up to it, just to see if it would do anything. All I got was tick, tick, tick. So you guys are not missing out on anything that I haven't seen yet. Yeah, honestly, it looks like all the plow stuff is on the side post. Engine is run off the top post. So maybe. Without missing the shoulder up today. Just maybe. Red ground wire, gotta love that. Get some spark. Here's some sparkulation there. All right, we got fan motor. Question is, there's a lot of questions. Just put a little ether down in there, just in case it does want fire. I mean, you know, not fire. Fire over. That would be nice. Cool to hear this old girl run. Water hose is pretty accessible. Still a little nervous. Let's see. It's always a little harder with one person. There we go. Look at that. Two-cycle gas here. They're all mixed in it. Battery a little weaker than I thought. Hot. There's the probably check the oil, right? Yep. She's got plenty of it, that's for sure. Maybe too much. It's black. Difficult doing this on a trailer. So hopefully we'll pull some of the bad gas from the tank, really. Dad wouldn't be happy to hear that. But well, boys and girls, I see a bigger problem. We're leaking Earl. Looks like it might be right out of that oil filter. Well, that's probably enough fun for the day. I'm not trying to make a mess out of my trailer anyway. So, I'm going to get it to the shop tomorrow, but good to say that I don't think it smoked and doesn't seem to knock or rattle, so I think so far we got a good motor, as long as that oil is coming out of the oil filter and not something else. Give it a little rev, Dan. Thanks for watching.